So back this way, come through into the galley where we cook our meals, make toast, our coffee, microwave, refrigerator, the galley table where we take our meals, watch TV. We got a walk-in refrigerator and a walk-in freezer. Watertight doors in case we have to get out. Little tour of the boat where I'm living. The main hallway. We have one of the pantries. The head, where I shower, brush my teeth, take care of business. And down the hallway, we have the engineer stateroom. And this is where I live. Little sink, mirror, got my work desk, some storage, my bunk where I sleep. And yeah, spend a lot of quality time in this room. So, this is where I work mainly. Go down these stairs, in between the two main engines, looking at a big old fuel filter housing. My workbench, my toolbox, my fuel transfer manifold behind the toolbox. We have our main engines. This is the starboard main engine. That there is the port main engine. Starter. Reduction gear, or transmission in some of your cases, which directly drives that massive shaft right there, which goes out to a massive propeller. My hydraulics for steering and toe pins that are on the back deck. Air flask. That's our air intake for each side of the engine. Massive air flasks for starting the engines. Dual air compressors. And if we come up forward, this is a centrifuge for cleaning fuel to get any dirt or water out of the fuel. Another one of my little workbenches, my alarm system, my main electrical distribution panel. I have two generators, little John Deere's, little 15 kWs. I have two of them, one on each side of the boat. The front of the main engine has two water pumps, and there's a big tank of water up ahead, above. And we have our potable water, hot water tank, freshwater pumps. We have our main ballast pump for moving seawater. Green means salt. Big old hydraulic tank. Here's our poop tank. Poop comes in, gets processed, and then gets sterilized with chlorine, and then clarified before it is pumped overboard as dirty water. My pressure and temperature gauges for the main engines. My fuel gauges for the fuel tanks that I run off of. A fire pump. Spare motors. More electrical. This is our main engine oil pre-lube and filtration system. That big pot right there is the filters for this massive 16-cylinder engine. So yeah, this is where I work.